guys, I'm over here with my son. He hurt himself, got some head trauma. No big deal, his daddy handled it. I'm gonna continue to handle it here at the hospital. What I want to show you is that if you notice, in this hospital has pretty much all the same things we have on the ambulance. You have IV kits over here. Stay right there, baby. We have a vital signs monitor, cardiac monitor, a pulse ox monitor, a SpO2 monitor, a defibrillator, which could treat synchronized cardioversion defibrillation. Here's the pads right there. Back there you have the tube kits, you have the suction canister here, you have a mobile bed, and basically you have a crash car with an intubation kit, oxygen. Notice it's pretty much gloves. In case you didn't notice, our ambulance is a portable hospital. Here we are in a trauma room, and I see all the same things with a few exceptions of the things that we carry on our ambulance. Now, I also want you to notice that they have cheat sheets. You see that? So this is why I always say, if you make a mistake, it's part of human nature. In the ambulance, they make you feel like making a mistake is the end of the world, where you should definitely avoid them. But if you notice, they have a bunch of cheat sheets here to help themselves as reminders. I invite you to do the same. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Peace.